As you come around, and I'm getting into the thread tape now, so you can see the resistance is starting to build up a little bit. But you're just going to come around and fit that in. Now, it's not as snug as I would like it yet, so I'm going to do that off camera when I get a chance, but you can see the exact process that we're going through. I'm going to go ahead and use thread tape in this case because I actually need to use this tomorrow. So I don't have 24 hours. So I'm good, but if you do, I would recommend using their sealant because that's what they say you should use. Okay, so go ahead and put the fitting on this end and also on the other lift frame as well. And then we're going to move on and we're going to start putting fittings onto the hoses. All right, so you should be familiar with this process by now. So now you've got your big long hoses with 2 female ends. Again, I'm using pipe tape, or you can use their thread sealant. Make sure to wrap clockwise as you go around, and really just kind of one wrap around and then wrap onto itself is enough, and then you can just pull and break it off. I usually will press down a little bit to make sure that it stays into the threads. Same thing, so just take the big connector end here and just get it into place. You feel it start to bite into the thread tape. You're going to want to do this on both sides. The 17 millimeter wrench on this side, 22 millimeter wrench on this side. You're counter turning, or you can hold one and use the 22 to tighten it down. Okay, so go ahead and do all 4. So 1, 2, and then the other hose, 3, 4, and then we're going to attach fittings to the pump.